Quit asking me questions. Yeah, I know you, but we ain't friends. Quit asking me questions. Yeah, we in this section, but you can't get in. Quit asking me questions. Yeah, I got the new Chrysler, blue with the tint. Quit asking me questions. I'm tired of these questions. Asking me questions. I want more questions.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Rusty, and we are chilling in California right now, doing our reset, and we are at I think the Fontana dealership, the Freightliner dealership. And man, this one's a pretty truck. It's all cleaned up and everything, but yeah, that's not my truck. This is my truck. We are here to pick up some parts. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell, but one of our lights is not working. The top mount light right there on the roof isn't working, and this one's different. I don't know, somebody replaced that, but whatever, it's working for now. And also this cab light right here stopped working recently, and this is a special order light. They don't have it anywhere else except a dealer, so you need to go there to pick this up. It's like 60 bucks. It's crazy expensive. We are doing our resets, so we're gonna be messing around a little bit, you know, relaxing, talking about the truck a little bit, maybe doing some little things here and there, maybe taking it for another truck wash. We'll see what we can do. We'll see whatever I feel like doing. Also, this wasn't me, but somebody cracked up the front bumper with regular tape, and it's same thing on this side right here. And I went to Walmart and I bought some white Gorilla tape, and we're going to be taping it up to make it look a lot better. Also, my fog lights are not working. They haven't been working since I got the truck. It looks like it's been water dammed or whatever it is. I mean, literally there's like rust inside the fog lights. Both of them are like that for some reason, so I'm gonna see how much replacement fog lights are, and if it's not too much, I'm just gonna go ahead and buy them. Company's gonna pay me back either way. Maybe they'll be nice working blue fog lights again. I guess let's go inside there, pick up our parts. I thought he was towing my truck for a second. I was like, wait, what the heck? I mean, I'm not parked in a parking spot, but nah, it's not me, I think, right? Nah. We got both of our lights, one top light and one corner light, and I do not have the parts to replace them, so we're gonna go to Petro, borrow their tools, and replace everything. Petro's getting a little greedy about borrowing tools nowadays. I don't know. I guess people steal them or something, but I never do that. When you ask, you always give your ID or something, and the employees do let you borrow some of the tools. So let's replace that one first, and then we'll go to the cab one. These lights on the back have this little sticker you peel off, and then it has this adhesive on the bottom so it doesn't leak water into this thing right here. Just letting you guys know. All right, looks good. It works. All of them are working. Let's move on to the cab. As you guys can tell, this one is working and the passenger one is not. So I can tell there is water in there. Maybe the seal failed, water got in there, LEDs stopped working, so let's replace that. I don't know if you guys can see all the way in there, but it's an 8mm, I'm pretty sure. And we're gonna unscrew it and stick the new one on. There you go, much better. All right, got our lights fixed, and both of these are going in the garbage. Ah, crap. The lights are done, so now all we have to do is fix up the bottom of the bumper. This side is not too bad, but this side is really messed up, cracked all along the bottom right here and right there, and it's kind of falling apart. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to camouflage the wound, you know what I'm saying? Tape it all up. It should be good to go for visual wise. And if you guys are wondering, we still have our flag. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, we had this flag hanging on a trailer going from east to west coast, and we had a crazy road rage incident. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, watch the last video. Yeah, I think this looks way better. Before and after pictures really tell a difference. I think I have OCD because I need to do this for some reason. I've been driving like this for about a week, and I was looking for white duct tape in every truck stop and I couldn't find it, so I had to go to Walmart to buy this, but company will pay me back for it. I think they'll appreciate the little details that I put into this truck, fixing all the little lights. I mean, the lights is, I guess, my thing. I was supposed to be doing that along the way and I just keep forgetting, but I fixed those and got the tape done. I mean, it looks way better in my eyes. A lot of people will be asking me how I drive on my reset, so I think I mentioned that I am on my reset right now. Well, pretty much if I am not working, I just put it on personal convenience and I can drive around. Like, for example, getting parts, this counts as parts, and then going to Petro, fixing it up a little bit, that also counts as personal convenience. You're technically not on the clock, you're not getting paid for this, you're just getting reimbursed for parts and stuff like that. So you're allowed to put it on personal convenience just for your reset purposes. Also, you can go to restaurants and stuff like that. I can even, my company allows it, I can even take this thing 1 hour to the beach of California and go swimming if I want to. So that's a big plus. I mean, they know I do waste some fuel here and there, but I guess that's the luxury of working with a really great company like this. Back at Petro truck stop, and we are bobtailed. Sun is going down. Sorry, this truck is like super loud, but we are waiting for our friends to show up. And yes, I know I have friends. I know it's very surprising, but I do have trucker friends, and they're actually working for a company that I wanted to work for in the beginning, but I actually hooked them up with this job. We're about to see them any second now. Oh, there they are. Oh, they excited. We're about to get some food. That's it. What's up? Empire National, they're from Fletcher, North Carolina. They do pretty decent business. I mean, you guys want to hit them up, they're looking for some team drivers. My friend, both of them are team drivers for them, so pretty decent company. Check them out. All right, guys, let's eat some steak. Yeah. What's wrong with this tree for real, though? Steaks for the boys. It is next morning, if you guys cannot tell. We had a really good day yesterday. Hanged out, chilled out a little bit, did a little work on the truck, and we are ready to go. As you guys can tell, we have a trailer hooked up. We are still in California, but we are leaving to East Coast back to North Carolina. We have our flag back on a truck. If you guys don't know, I've been doing this little experiment. I put this flag up and see what kind of reactions I get, and I've been getting some decent reactions, some good cop reactions, and then some haters, obviously, like you guys seen from the other videos. This guy tried to cut me off and flicking me off and stuff because I was waving that flag. But yeah, it's all good and fun for me. I don't mind the hate. So I'm gonna have to end the video here for you guys. Thanks for sticking tuned. This is gonna be a short little video, just, you know, what I do on my reset and stuff like that, hanging out, chilling, meeting up with some friends, fixing some lights here and there, you know, just hanging out, having fun. This is still a job, so remember that. If you guys want to stick tuned, subscribe, smash like, because there's a lot more videos to come, not just on trucking, but other new things coming to my channel. So appreciate it, guys. Stay blessed, be happy. Deuces.
Holy crap! Holy crap! Holy crap! Holy crap! Oh my god!